beyond borders, beyond words. Kotoba camp.
Immature.
Immature.
Not fully developed or grown. Lacking maturity.
未成熟的，不成熟的。
The immature neurons in the developing brain are crucial for forming complex neural networks. The immature seeds cannot germinate until they have undergone a period of dormancy.
Certain immature social behaviors are often observed in adolescent primates.
In literature, an immature writing style may lack depth and complexity.
Immature responses to stress can lead to ineffective coping mechanisms.
Immaturity.
Immaturity.
The immaturity of the ecosystem makes it sensitive to environmental changes. Maturation.
Maturation. The maturation of the immune system is critical in early childhood.
Undeveloped, juvenile, unripe, childish.
未发展的，幼稚的，未成熟的，幼稚的。
Mature, developed, advanced, sophisticated.
成熟的，发展的，先进的，复杂的。
Incident.
Incident.
An event or occurrence, especially one that is unusual or significant.
事件、事故。
The incident involving the chemical spill required immediate attention from environmental scientists. The incident in the laboratory highlighted the need for stricter safety protocols.
Historical incidents often provide valuable insights into cultural and societal changes.
In physics, an incident ray is a ray of light that strikes a surface.
The incident was widely reported in the media, sparking a public debate on policy reform.
Incidental.
Incidental.
The incidental findings during the archaeological dig were unexpected, yet valuable. Incidents.
Incidence. The incidence of infectious diseases has decreased due to improved sanitation.
Event, occurrence, episode, happening.
事件、发生、插曲、事情。
Unoccurrence, inactivity, inaction, idleness.
未发生，不活跃，无行动，闲散。
Insult.
Insult.
To speak or treat with disrespect or scorn. A disrespectful or scornful remark or action.
侮辱、辱骂、侮辱性的言语或行为。
The diplomat's comments were seen as an insult to the host country, leading to a diplomatic standoff. The insult directed at the artist sparked a debate about freedom of expression in the arts.
In literature, characters often use insults to convey tension or conflict in dialogue.
Biologically, an insult can refer to an injury or damage to tissues.
Insulting others in a professional setting can damage one's reputation and hinder career advancement.
Insulting.
Insulting.
The insulting remarks during the meeting were unprofessional and uncalled for. Insulted.
Insulted. She felt insulted by the dismissive comments made about her work.
Offend, affront, humiliate, demean.
冒犯、侮辱、羞辱、贬低。
Praise, compliment, flatter, honor.
赞美、恭维、奉承、荣誉。
Interaction.
Interaction.
Reciprocal action or influence. Communication or direct involvement with someone or something.
互动、相互作用、交流或直接参与。
The interaction between predators and prey can significantly impact the balance of an ecosystem. The interaction of various chemical compounds can produce a wide range of reactions.
Economic interactions between countries often lead to cultural exchanges and mutual understanding.
Understanding human interaction with technology is essential for developing user-friendly applications.
The interaction between light and pigments is fundamental to the art of painting.
Interactive.
Interactive.
Interactive exhibits at the museum allow visitors to engage more deeply with the subject matter. Interact.
Interact. Students interact with each other during group projects to enhance learning and collaboration.
Communication, interplay, engagement, collaboration.
交流、相互影响、参与、合作。
Isolation, separation, disconnection, detachment.
隔离、分离、断开、分离。
Interfere.
Interfere.
To intervene in a situation without invitation or necessity, often causing disruption.
干涉、妨碍、打扰。
The government decided not to interfere in the internal affairs of the neighboring country. The noise from the construction site can interfere with students' concentration during exams.
In scientific experiments, unexpected variables can interfere with the results, leading to inaccurate conclusions.
Parents should be careful not to interfere too much in their children's friendships.
Excessive regulations can interfere with business innovation and growth.
Interference.
Interference.
The interference of external factors in the experiment was minimized by using controlled conditions. Interfering.
Interfering. Interfering behavior can strain relationships and create conflicts.
Meddle, intrude, intervene, obstruct.
干涉、介入、干预、阻碍。
Assist, facilitate, support, aid.
协助、促进、支持、帮助。
Intersection.
Intersection.
The point or line where two or more things cross or meet. A place where roads meet.
交集、交叉点、道路交汇处。
The intersection of biology and technology has led to advancements in genetic engineering. The intersection of the two main roads is often congested during rush hour.
At the intersection of art and science, new forms of expression are continually emerging.
Urban planners focus on improving intersections to enhance traffic flow and safety.
The intersection of cultural influences can be seen in the diverse architecture of the city.
Intersect.
Intersect.
The paths intersect at the center of the park, creating a focal point for visitors. Intersecting.
Intersecting. Intersecting lines in geometry can represent various mathematical concepts.
Junction, crossroad, convergence, meeting point.
交界、十字路口、汇合、交汇点。
Divergence, separation, departure, division.
分歧、分离、离开、分割。
Interval.
Interval.
A period of time between events. A space between two things.
间隔、间距。
The interval between the two concerts allowed the musicians to rest and prepare. Regular intervals of exercise can significantly improve cardiovascular health.
In astronomy, the interval between eclipses is known as the Saros cycle.
The play was performed in 3 acts with a short interval between each.
During intervals in the meeting, participants discussed ideas informally.
Intermittent.
Intermittent.
Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. Intervallic.
Intervallic. The intervallic structure of the music creates a unique rhythmic pattern.
Pause, break, gap, intermission.
暂停、休息、间隙、中场休息。
Continuation, continuity, persistence, perpetuity.
延续、连续、持续、永恒。
Introduction.
Introduction.
The act of presenting something or someone for the first time, a beginning section of a book, speech, or other written work.
介绍、引入、引言、序言。
The introduction of new technology in classrooms has transformed the learning experience. The introduction to the novel provides background information about the characters and setting.
In a formal introduction, the speaker should briefly outline the main topics to be discussed.
The introduction of invasive species can disrupt local ecosystems and biodiversity.
A well-crafted introduction sets the tone for the rest of the presentation.
Introductory.
Introductory.
The introductory chapter provides an overview of the research methodology. Introduce.
Introduce. The professor introduced a new theory that challenged traditional beliefs.
Presentation, prelude, prologue, commencement.
介绍、序幕、序言、开始。
Conclusion, epilogue, ending, closure.
结论后记结尾闭幕。
Invitation.
Invitation.
A written or spoken request asking someone to attend an event or do something.
邀请请柬。
The invitation to the conference included details about the schedule and keynote speakers. Receiving an invitation to join the prestigious research team was a significant career milestone.
The invitation to the art exhibition was extended to all members of the community.
The wedding invitation was elegantly designed with gold lettering and floral accents.
An invitation to collaborate on the project was warmly accepted by the international partners.
Invite.
Invite.
The committee decided to invite experts from various fields to the panel discussion. Inviting.
Inviting. The inviting aroma of freshly baked bread filled the kitchen.
Request, summons, appeal, solicitation.
请求、召唤、呼吁、恳求。
Refusal, rejection, denial, dismissal.
拒绝、否决、否认、解雇。
Involve.
Involve.
To include or engage as a necessary part or result. To require.
包含、牵涉、需要。
The project will involve collaboration between multiple departments to ensure its success. Successful conservation efforts often involve local communities in decision-making processes.
The study involves analyzing data from various sources to draw comprehensive conclusions.
Involving children in educational activities can enhance their learning experience.
To solve complex problems, it is essential to involve experts from different fields.
Involvement.
Involvement.
Her involvement in community service projects has been recognized with several awards. Involved.
Involved. The involved process required careful attention to detail and precise execution.
Engage, include, encompass, entail.
参与、包含、涵盖、涉及。
Exclude, omit, disregard, neglect.
排除、省略、忽视、忽略。
Well done! Take a break and remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's keep our learning motivation fresh.
Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out.